In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Exness. Whether you're funding your trading account for Forex, crypto, index, or synthetic trading, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that your accounts for both Exness and Binance are ready. In Binance, go to the top right corner where you can see your wallet. Click the spot option. What will happen is you will be forwarded to this section. If you wanted to transfer USDT from Binance, click the USDT or Tether US. There is a three dots icon here where you can have more options. I want you to click the transfer because we wanted to transfer this USDT here in Binance to Exness. All I have to do now is select the coin. You want to make sure that you are using the right coin, which is USDT. And then you need to put in the specific amount. Let's say just this one. You want to make sure that you have enough balance before you can proceed. You need to go to your Exness and then hover on the crypto wallet. Exness supports networks like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. In this case, since we are looking for the ERC20, this is what we needed. And click the withdrawal button. Since the USDT has been transferred from Binance, we need to withdraw it. All I have to do is click the withdraw option. Again, remember you have the option to choose from BEP20, ERC20, or TRC20. It's up to you. TRC20 is ideal because it usually has lower transaction fees and faster processing time. Make sure the network you select is Exness is the exact same network you'll choose later on Binance. Alright? But before you can proceed, you need to verify your account. But if you do, just follow the on-screen instructions. After selecting the network, Exness will generate a wallet address, sometimes a QR code. Copy that wallet address carefully. Okay? Now, after confirmation, Binance will process the transaction. Crypto transfer usually takes minutes depending on the blockchain traffic. And of course, you can monitor the traffic status inside Binance withdrawal history. Once completed, go to your Exness account and refresh the dashboard because the balance should appear on your account. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to transfer USDT from Binance to Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.